As engineers, we all know the pain of the last minute architecture revision, meaning that our system design that we've spent hours of time developing is now out of date and we need to update all of our pipe calculations and pump calculations. So you can see here on this office hot and cold water system design, I've calculated all of my distribution pipework sizes and also my booster pump duty and my hot water recirculation pump duty. Now, traditionally, this would mean having to dive back into my Excel spreadsheets or whatever other tools I'm using. However, because I use h2x, all that I need to do is head over to h2x, upload my updated floor plan. This can be done easily by going over to floor plan and selecting our PDF version of our updated design. That will now be replaced for me. And because I have an updated scaled plan sitting within our software, I can simply switch over to design mode and redraw our system design. Now you can see here, it's just the addition of 3 toilets in a pretty uniform fashion. So I can just simply copy and paste these elements from here. H2X will automatically update my peak flow rate diversification and the required pipe sizes based on specifications that I've set in the system settings. So that's either a maximum velocity or a maximum pressure drop rate. Now if I run those results, you can see that I've got all of my pipes sized. My main cold water pipe has jumped from a 35 millimeter diameter to a 42 millimeter diameter, and I now have updated booster pump duties and recirculation pump duty pressures here. If we take a look at our booster pump duties, we'll compare that to the old one before we make our XREF into our AutoCAD design. See here, I've got 0.955 litres per second at 185 kPa. Now to export this into H2X, I simply need to export this as a JSON. That'll download to my system downloads. I'll then be able to go into AutoCAD itself, type in h2x import, select my JSON file, open that up, and h2x will map my flow systems from h2x to my flow systems within AutoCAD. I can do the same for valves, fixtures, the different pieces of plant. Once I hit import, h2x will generate the different levels of my system design for me. And I can detach my ground floor water system design as an XREF. Simply reattach. So before we do that, I actually want to check out my levels. So 0.910, we're now at 0.955 at 191 kPa. We've actually dropped pressure to 185 kPa. So if I go and detach that, I can now reattach my new system design. We'll go to my downloads, level ground floor, and then we want our second version, our second revision. Hit open. And you can see that that has updated my system design, added in my new pipe sizes. I haven't had to spend any time redrawing this in AutoCAD. It's all been done for me. And that can be added onto my reference sheets and sent out as a revision. We've been able to do that in around under 5 minutes. If you have any questions or if you'd like to see H2X applied to one of your own projects, feel free to check out our website linked in the description, where you can also book in a demonstration where we could maybe run through one of your system designs together. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you later.